So you want to make a good rub with homemade ingredients, do you? Well, I got you covered. Basic ingredients, you can get them at any local store, but it's also really flavorful. Good for beef, pork, chicken. So let's get started. I got a half a cup of chili powder, half a cup of paprika, 1/3 cup of black pepper, a mixture of onion powder, garlic powder, and cumin, about a tablespoon and a half each. 2 tablespoons of kosher salt, and about a tablespoon of cayenne pepper, a little bit of spice. Mix it up. It's got a nice color, gonna give a good coating to any meat you use it on. We can dump it right into a mason jar. Make a nice mess. Again, use a funnel, it's probably a little bit easier. Let's give it a little taste. That's good. It's a good amount of salt. It's a good amount of spices with the paprika, balanced with the cayenne pepper. Yeah, this is going to go great with any beef, pork, poultry. I like to use it on chicken wings personally. So nice, easy rub and make it home and put on all your meat when you're smoking.